What is going on, guys? So today I'm checking out the Ratio Arc Pro backpack. Now this is for all the tech enthusiasts like myself out there. This backpack kind of just reaches out and touches us right where we are as far as one of the highest tech backpacks I've ever seen. So with that said, let's check it out. Now, first off, the Ratio Arc Pro is designed to make a statement. This thing is inspired by the lines that you find on the Tesla Model 3. And obviously with the white color here specifically, it really is in line with that. Basically, it combines sleek aesthetics with some really, really cool design elements. Now, I've used my fair share of backpack and packs throughout the years. And this one, the only way that I can really explain it is it's different. Right off the bat, you see this when you're talking about the exterior. This thing has got a high strength ABS shell. Yes, it is a hard shell on the outside, which is really, really different from a standard backpack. This isn't your average fabric backpack, right? It's waterproof, dirt resistant, and shock absorbent, as well as having that hard shell. It kind of has a callback to like the hard, earbud and headphone cases that we see in a lot of the tech stuff. When you get a camera bag, you get one that's got a little bit more rigidity to it, so it has drop protection. And essentially what they've done is they've built that right into a backpack, which in my opinion is just a very novel idea, and I think it's a really, really cool marriage of the two concepts. Now, the other thing that I really like about this is it has a TSA certified lock built into it as well. So if you're traveling, the backpack's got your back, literally. It keeps your gadgets safe and secure with the ability for TSA to still access it if they need to. But I like the concept of having it built right into the zipper structure of the backpack. So I think they've done a really good job there. There's no need for any external locking if you're going to be checking this bag or anything like that. This is a really, really cool way that they've kind of integrated that. Now, one of the other things that I really like about this is obviously in today's world, it's super important to stay charged on all of your devices. And the Ratio Arc Pro includes a USB port built into the outside of the backpack. So you can actually use a power bank on the inside, stored in a nice little contained spot, plug it into the power outlets, and then basically on the outside under this convenient little door, you have some charging ports to charge your devices. So gone are the days to having to take your power banks out of your backpack or your pack to be able to charge your devices. Basically, you just need access to a cable and you're all set. Now, from a comfort perspective, it's got a breathable back cushion and the shoulder straps are also super comfortable and they have all your standard backpack adjustments. So the other thing that's really nice is it has this kind of responsive, what they call a dampening cushion handle. So basically, if you've got this thing loaded down, they've just done a really good job of making it very, very non-impactful, moving it around and carrying it and things like that. So great overall design from a backpack, comfort perspective. Now, the inside of this backpack is all about organization. There are separate pockets for everything. You've got laptop, tablet, earbud pockets, and it's clear that they put a lot of thought and design into the actual functioning of the backpack from the outside to the inside. And again, obviously then they have those really high-tech features of being able to use your power bank on the inside and charge it on the outside. They've just really kind of organize this in a very, very clean way to make it very, very easy to use. The other thing that I really like about this backpack and the way that they designed it is that it opens into a V right out of the box. However, there is these two pieces of material that actually hold it in that V position. They actually have the ability to be unsnapped to where this thing can open completely flat, somewhat more like a suitcase would be able to. So you get a full spread of everything that's in there. You just snap those two pieces back in place and it goes back to its V standard. So depending on how you like to access your backpack, you do have a little bit of customization there as well. And for those considering it as a travel companion for air travel, again, it's going to be an awesome addition to your gear. It's got a super slim profile, which will be easy to fit in almost any seat. And again, its storage capacity for all of your travel gadgets is actually really, really well done. I like the fact that it's super organized, especially if you're going to be rummaging around in it in a confined space like an airplane or a bus or an Uber, right? The ability for everything to be in its place where you need it, where you know it is just really, really nice. It's not just a throw-in backpack and everything kind of gets jumbled around. They've really, really put some thought into it. Now, the only negative that I will say about this that I've really experienced so far using it is it's a pro and con, right? So obviously size is probably its biggest issue from the perspective of it's not a super huge backpack, right? There's only so much you can fit in here. And so this isn't really a problem with the backpack. It's more of the fact that this one is designed to be slim. And so I think what this does is it opens more of a door for them to create perhaps an XL version, right? That's got some extra space, right? So you can kind of customize it. So I could even see this being like small, medium, large, and extra large type of thing where you have an array of different sizes. So depending on your use case, you can choose to get a larger, smaller, slimmer, thicker, whatever you want. So I won't say this is actually a problem with the backpack. There's nothing wrong with the backpack, really. I have not run into any other issues with this backpack whatsoever. So that's my only complaint that I would have, and it's not about the actual backpack. It's more of just, I would love to see one that's a little bit bigger. So take that as feedback. Not necessarily a negative, but if you're looking for a large backpack to store a ton of gear, this is probably not going to be the backpack that you would be looking for that perspective. If you're looking for organization, really cool, innovative features, lightweight, protective, and just designed for travel and everyday use, that's what this is for. That's what this backpack is designed for, and it excels in all those areas. So at the end of the day, if you are a tech savvy person who wants a backpack that reflects that lifestyle, that's got organization, functionality, hard shell protection for all of your stuff, waterproofing, the ability to lock it. If all of those things are something that you're looking for, the Ratio Arc Pro is a fantastic backpack, a great addition to your gear setup. Again, if you're looking for a ton of space, you might have to think again, but overall, fantastic backpack, really cool design, and I absolutely love it. But guys, as usual, I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.